Hey guys, quick video showing a new product we have, the BMS pedal tuner. It plugs into your gas pedal, lets you remap the throttle for improved response and a more satisfying feel behind the wheel. I happen to be sitting inside our 2015 M3 right here, and the device itself works the same for all the models we cover, but we offer it for a variety of different models, not only BMWs, but Mercedes, and we have it coming up for Fords and Infinitis and Volkswagen tuners as well. But I'll give you a quick preview of how it works. Once you plug into the gas pedal, I'll make a separate video showing you where it is. You can run the wire along here and tuck it out of the way. I have it out right now so I can make the video. The top button here lets you switch modes. And as you switch them, you'll notice that the light changes. These are different profiles, with the red being the most aggressive, green being stock, so that turns it off altogether. This brighter green is stage 1. This sort of red, orange, green is stage 2, then back to red altogether. Now when you're on a map, say we go to the stage 3, you can adjust the response up or down. So by pressing down, lowers it, you'll see the LEDs moving. Or you can go up, like so. And then no LEDs is the default profile. So that gives you a way of adjusting it to fine-tune your particular tastes. Now, one thing I wanted to make sure I captured in the video is how to calibrate the unit. When you first install it, there's a process you have to go through. It's pretty easy. Basically, you're going to press and hold both the mode down and mode up simultaneously. Let's see if I can get it with my one hand here. You'll see all the lights come on and start flashing like that. That means it's in calibration mode. And then what I'm going to do is simply push my foot up and down a couple times on the gas pedal. And as I'm doing that, you'll see that it's learning the voltage signals coming off the gas pedal. And this allows the unit to compensate for any production variances or model variances. So with your foot off the gas pedal, it'll be all the way left. When fully depressed, you want to push it all the way down past the kick down. It'll be all the way to the right. We're properly calibrated now. So when you're done, you just go ahead and press and hold this button for another 10 seconds or so. All the lights turn off, and you've saved the calibration. Put it back on the fun setting here. We'll have these up on our website shortly for you guys, along with a PDF installation manual for each individual model.